Hey guys, just trading the 5-minute chart, 5-second chart, doing the 15-second timer, and let's go. See if we can get some good entry points. 15-second timer. I think it's going to be going up here, so I'm just waiting for it to come down to right about here. If it comes down here, I'll buy if it doesn't come down too strong. Try to do about 10 trades in 10 minutes. Looks like it wants to break. Just kind of hanging out here. Broke above. Here I'll go for the sell. Yeah, I guess there's a lot of buying pressure here, so it's kind of a bad call. Looks like it still wants to go up. Sure, we'll FOMO in. See what happens. It's funny because if we waited just another half a second, we would have got a better position, but we'll see what happens. Yeah, knocked us out. So if it drops to here, I'll go in for buy. Looks like it's kind of trending down now, just slightly. Trying to get people to FOMO in, that's where I got in last time. Okay, I'm not really interested in that chart anymore. Let's see what else we can find. Usually I just toggle through the charts and see, just look for obvious opportunities. Here looks like this is going down. It's kind of got a better position, would have been up here. So yeah, I just got to learn to be a little bit more patient. Looks like there's a lot of pressure to buy, so broke the top. Continuing up. Not sure where that's going to go, so we'll try another chart. Looks like there's a lot of buying pressure on this, so we bought in. A little bit of retracement. And just got the win there. So this is a little bit choppy. Let's try another chart. Okay. This is telling us it was going down, but I got in here. I didn't really look at the stash, but we did get a W. So that's good. I think it's going to be trending up from here. But this is telling us it's going down. Okay, took a sell here. This probably has to rest a little bit after making that burst energy. Just got a win there. We were pretty close, but we got it. Expecting it to come down here and then come back up. Maybe just here. I'll go for a buy if it goes about here. Lots of buying pressure. Looks like it's gonna break. I'll just buy in now before the break. Okay, and it did come down. Got a loss on that one. Okay, so we were just laid by a little bit. Then it broke above. So if you just wait another few seconds, the move seems to play out a little bit better. Let's try another chart. I think it's going to continue downwards. Continued up.
Hey everyone, this is Sandro. I hope you enjoy using my tracks. If you like what you hear, go premium today and I promise to make lots more tracks just for you.
We're in for buy. Didn't make her. Go for a sell. Looks like it's got some structure just to keep going down. Got a win there. And for a sell here, looks like it's going to continue downward. Kind of match this side here, except in reverse. It's an okay position. Something up here would have been nicer, of course, but I like to just jump in. Got a win there, nice. Going again for a sell. Probably should have waited on that. That green candle was pretty strong. It looks like it is coming back down. Kind of ranging here, kind of dangerous now. Might even come up now that it's ranged so much. It's kind of coming out of structure. So we'll try a new chart. Minute and a half on the clock. In for a sell here, see if it holds. Got a good position. Right on, we got a win. Nice. Looks like it's trending up. If we get a better position, I'll go in for a buy. Yeah, that's okay. Oh yeah, wait another couple seconds. Would have been a lot better. Looks like it's reversing now. Shoot. Okay, so just a bad call. Got it up here for the buy. Okay, so that's it. Session's over. So here's our $8 trades. It's about 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 wins. So broke even. Yeah. So earned a lot. Yeah, broke even. It's alright. Okay, till next time. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bless.